Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rottie Ranch. And today I want to talk about one of the most powerful and often overlooked plants on the homestead, seaberry, also known as seabuckthorn. And here on the Robertson Rottie Ranch, we planted 8 different seaberry varieties. And this was very intentional. Seaberry plants need both male and female plants for fruit production. And by planting multiple compatible varieties that flower and fruit at slightly different times, we ensure a strong cross-pollination, a better fruit set, and a more consistent harvest window. That diversity also strengthens the resilience of the planting overall. Healthier plants, better yields, and a longer season. And now let's talk about why seaberry is worth the space on our land. From a health perspective, seaberry is one of the most nutrient-dense berries in the world. The berries are rich in vitamin C, and it's often much higher than citrus. They're rich in vitamin E, carotenoids, flavonoids, and a rare combination of omega fatty acids, 3, 6, 7, and 9. And because of this, seaberry is widely used to support immune health and resilience, skin and mucosal tissue repair, gut and digestive lining health, inflammation balance, cardiovascular and cellular health. And in fact, in many parts of Europe and Asia, seaberry juice is consumed much like orange juice is here as a daily wellness drink. It's tart, bright, and incredibly concentrated, and it's often diluted or blended with other juices or with honey. And that tartness is just a sign of how potent it is. But the berries aren't the only useful part of the plant. Let's talk about the different parts of seaberry that are used. Seaberry seeds are pressed into oil that's widely used for skin healing, burns, wounds, and mucosal support. And that oil is especially valued for its omega-7, which supports skin elasticity and internal tissue health. The berry pulp is used in juices, syrups, purees, and fermented drinks, supporting digestion and immune function. And now let's talk about the leaves. Seaberry leaves are used in teas and herbal preparations for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and are traditionally used to support metabolic health and circulation. And now let's talk about the plant overall in itself. Seaberry is also a nitrogen-fixing shrub, which means that it improves the soil health as it grows. It's incredibly hardy, drought-tolerant once it's established, and it's beneficial to pollinators, making it a true multi-purpose homestead plant. And on the ranch, we love plants that don't just feed us, but also feed the land. And seaberry does both. It nourishes the body, supports healing, improves the soil, and produces year after year once it's established. And that's the kind of plant that earns its place on our land. Here at the Robertson Rottie Ranch, we're intentional about growing foods and herbs that support long-term wellness, sustainability, and resilience. And seaberry checks every one of those boxes. Have you ever tried seaberry as a juice, an oil, or a tea? Let me know, and we'll see you next time. Bye.